Hello everyone, today we are talking about JXL table sheets hierarchy structure for Jira. It's a marketplace app. It looks promising. First, it has relatively positive reviews. Look, 92 reviews, 4 out of 4 stars. It's cloud fortified, everything is supported. From a review perspective, and it looks like everything is crazy support, everything is working. From pricing perspective, and it's you can try it on your small instance, very nice. It allows you to test. Price is very competitive. From security level, it's all data is stored in Jira, so it's more or less like client-side application. And it looks very promising, very interesting. You can use the power of Excel in your Jira. So let's take a look. And I do have a project. We have a board, very simple demo one. As you can see, you can go to the sheets, your sidebar, and of course it will load your sheets. And it looks like you can do many things straight away here. You can edit issues in place. You can do bulk edits, as you see. For example, let's make them unassigned. So you can do bulk edit next and do multiple operations, which is pretty cool. You can also do different sum ups. So it looks very interesting, easy to manage your project. And if you use the Excel sheets, you can transition each in the same place. You see, like you can just move it to in progress. So very easy table view. Easy to use, very productive. You can customize it. You can change the JXL query which is behind, or use Jira filter. So it looks like very powerful and helpful. So I would say, and it was very easy to onboard. You actually don't need any onboarding. You just start using it and it brings data straight away. Very easy to use, very understandable, especially for people who used Excel sheet before. So the use cases are multiple. You can track the project, you can sum up your estimates, sum up your story points and so on. Very easy to use, very responsive and quick. Potential improvements, I would say, theoretically it would be nice if you could make some automations based on these Excel sheets. For example, if something happens and do something else, might be also send notifications based on changes. But overall, it looks very positive applications, very easy to use, very simple and powerful, and accessible to anyone in your Jira as well. So if you have any other comments about this product, please reply in the comments of this video. Thank you.